How to fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages. Hello guys, first thing in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Facebook Messenger. First thing, go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every single app that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find Facebook Messenger right here. When you click on Facebook Messenger, now click here on Force Stop and then click on the storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back and then click on data usage. Now here make sure to enable all these four options. Go back again and click on Force Stop. The last thing you want to do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.